Welcome to our video on the pros and cons of renting versus buying a home. In this video, we will be discussing the key factors to consider when deciding whether to rent or buy a home. We'll be covering topics such as long-term financial benefits, flexibility, and lifestyle considerations. Let's start by discussing the financial benefits of renting versus buying a home. When it comes to renting, one of the biggest benefits is that you don't have to worry about maintenance costs. If something breaks or needs repairs, it's the landlord's responsibility to fix it. Additionally, renting allows for more flexibility when it comes to moving. If you need to move for work or personal reasons, it's generally easier to break a lease than to sell a home. On the other hand, buying a home can offer long-term financial benefits. When you buy a home, you're investing in an asset that can appreciate in value over time. Additionally, mortgage payments can help you build equity in your home, which can provide financial security in the long run. Another important factor to consider is lifestyle. When you rent, you may have more freedom to move around and try out different neighborhoods. Renting also allows you to live in a larger or more luxurious home than you might be able to afford to buy. However, owning a home can provide a sense of stability and pride of ownership. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are pros and cons to both renting and buying a home. Whether you decide to rent or buy will depend on your personal circumstances, lifestyle considerations, and long-term financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped you to make a more informed decision.